You want to build microservices with domain-driven design. You've read the books. You understand bounded contexts, aggregates, and event sourcing. But when you sit down to code it, where do you even start? CQRS patterns, Saga Orchestration, event buses, service discovery. Wiring all of this together takes 200 hours minimum. What if someone already did that for you? Here's what's inside. 3 bounded contexts, orders, inventory, and payments, communicating through Azure Service Bus. Each service follows clean architecture with CQRS. Commands and queries are completely separated. MediatR handles the pipeline. Domain events flow between services. And here's where it gets interesting. Saga Orchestration. When a customer places an order, the Saga coordinates across services. Reserve inventory. Process payment. Confirm the order. And if anything fails, the Saga automatically compensates, releases inventory, cancels the order. All built in. Built on .NET 8 with Azure Service Bus for messaging. Docker Compose for local development. One command and all services are running. Terraform for infrastructure as code. Event sourcing, CQRS, saga-pattern, integration tests, health checks, structured logging, OpenTelemetry tracing, and CI/CD pipelines. Everything you need for production. Get the complete DDD Microservices starter kit for just $39. That's 200 hours of architecture and implementation, ready to clone and customize. Full source code, documentation, Terraform configs, and all future updates included. Link in the description.